Hello viewers, this is Revati Dandabani from Astro Arichvadi. Thank you very much for the support you have given so far. If you are watching my channel for the first time, you please subscribe and hit the bell button to get my videos immediately. Dear Pisces sign, Pisces ascendants, Porattadi 4th Padam, Uttarattadi Revati star viewers. Your sign lord and 10th house lord, Jupiter will be in the 12th house, which is not favorable. You will have tiresome travels and unnecessary expenses. As he is your 10th house lord, you may have to travel more on business, trade and career. You may have to work very hard. You may have frustrated feelings. You may have to spend unnecessarily without your will and wish. Jupiter aspects over 4th house Gemini, 6th house Leo, 8th house Libra. There won't be any hindrance to your luxuries and comforts. Chances for purchase of house, land and vehicle are seen. There will be marked improvement in mother's health. Old debts will be cleared. Chances for new debts is seen. Be away from court cases and controversies. Enemies will run away seeing you. 11th and 12th house Lord, Saturn in the 11th house Capricorn in a ruling status, which is favorable. Saturn aspects over your sign Pisces, 5th house Cancer and 8th house Libra. Act in such a way that your activities and behavior may not hurt others. You may have to be careful in the activities and friend circle of your children. Be away from court cases and controversies. Be careful in financial dealings. Don't stand as surety for anyone. 2nd and 9th house Lord, Mars will be in the 9th house Scorpio in a ruling status, which is very much favorable. Fund flow will be flawless without bumps. Your bank balance will increase. You will be economically elevated. Family life will be harmonious. Family members will cooperate. You may get the help and support from your father. 3rd and 8th house Lord from Sagittarius moves to Capricorn, your 11th house, on December 9th, which is very much favorable. Women will flourish in office and also in the house. This month is very much favorable for artists. Those who are waiting for marriages will get their marriages arranged and settled this month. All your efforts will be successful. You may be courageous in the public. Chances for sudden luck and sudden income is seen. Younger siblings will cooperate. 4th and 7th house Lord Mercury from the 9th house Scorpio moves to 10th house Sagittarius on December 10th. There won't be any hindrance to your luxuries and comforts. Chances for purchase of house, land and vehicle is seen. Spouse relationship will be intimate with love and affection. Friends and business partners will cooperate. Partnership business will be beneficial and profitable. Education side will be bright. Chances for higher education is seen bright. 6th house Lord, Sun in the 9th house Scorpio in the first half of the month and moves to 10th house Sagittarius in the second half of the month. So the whole month will be favorable for politicians. They will be awarded with suitable posts and they will be honored in the party. Government projects will be finalized this month. Combination of Mercury and Sun in the 10th house Sagittarius in the second half of the month will give you chances for getting the government jobs. 3rd house Taurus Dragon Rahu will help you, will make you get the help from abroad friends and relatives, other languages and other religion people. Overcome the confusions and problems created by 9th house Scorpio Dragon Ketu. Involve yourself spiritually, religiously along with yoga and meditation. It begins with 5th house Lord Moon in the 7th house Virgo. Worship of Lord Dakshinamurti and Lord Murugan will be favorable this month. Moon moves to 8th house on December 2nd, 3rd, 29th and 30th. On these days, Be careful. Avoid travels, new ventures and controversies. Avoid driving vehicles during night time. Nature and behavior of the planets are explained generally based on Tirkanita Panchangam. Based on your birth chart, Dasa and Bhukti, predictions may vary. Check for both the ascendants and zodiac sign. If your ascendant and zodiac sign are one and the same, follow the prediction of both in the same sign. If your ascendant and zodiac sign are different, you go in for the prediction of the zodiac sign where your ascendant falls. Moon sign is going to affect the perspective of the psychology, whereas ascendant is the perception of your consciousness. Planetary status as on December 2021. On December 2nd, Mars moves to Scorpio. On December 9th, Venus moves to Capricorn. On December 10th, Mercury moves to Sagittarius. On December 15th, Sun moves to Sagittarius. On December 29th, Mercury moves to Capricorn. On December 30th, Venus retrogrades to Sagittarius. I think you like this video. Please like, share, comment, subscribe and hit the bell button. Thank you. Vanakkam.